Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I can't say. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Letitia. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So we're going to talk about this hair I have on right now. This gorgeous curly hair. So this is some curly hair I was sent by this hair company, DSoar. I was sent 4 bundles of curly hair and a lace frontal. So it was 2 bundles of 22 inches, 2 bundles of 24 inches, 22 inches, 20 inches, and a 18-inch lace closure. Lace frontal. I'm saying lace closure. So yeah, this is the second video I'm filming today. I think that's why I'm kind of mumbling. I think I'm confused. So yeah, I was sent 4 bundles and it was just black, natural black hair, but I decided to dye it and give it some bit of a personality, you know what I mean? So yeah, I dyed the brown with a bit of highlight of honey blonde, like lighter brown, which is super duper gorgeous, like especially for this season. Now that we're transitioning to the fall, this is just the perfect hair color for that. And this hair, surprisingly, the curls didn't drop one bit. Like, it didn't at all. Like, when I spray water on it, it's even more curlier than this. This is just bushy because I've been touching it, because I can't stop touching it. It's so soft. Like, it's amazing how the curls didn't drop. Like, this is the first curly hair I've received in my life that the curls didn't drop after bleaching it twice, guys. Yes, twice. And the curls didn't drop. Like, surprising. The quality is amazing. As you guys can see, it's gorgeous. Oh, what? So guys, I did film the process of me coloring the hair. I'm gonna put that right here so you guys can watch and see how I colored the hair. The hair got this color. It was super easy, but oh, gorgeous. This hair is like DSoar hair, like amazing. This is the best curly hair I've had in a long time. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put all the information on the hair, where you can get it from and all that jazz. And if I have a coupon code, I think I do have a coupon code if I'm not mistaken. If I do have a coupon code, I'm gonna leave it down below so you guys can use it and save some money. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll let you guys watch the next part. Okay.